All right, Aztecs, on March 9th is our lip dub. What we're going to do is I really need your help to kind of listen to see where you're going to stand. Our lip dub is going to start right here at the attendance office. Miss Aguilar is going to be in the attendance office asking what's going on outside. From the attendance office, we're going to walk this way, and we are going to make a kind of a cheer tunnel from the attendance office all the way to the 200 building. People who are standing in this walkway are going to be all West Campus teachers, all office staff, marching band, drum line, and freshmen who are not really involved in much. If you're just a freshman that's proud to be a freshman. So in this first path, from the attendance office to the start of the 200 building, West Campus teachers, office staff, marching band, drum line, and freshmen. Now at the start of the 200 building, let's come inside. This is the second part of our lip dub. We are going in the 200 building, in front of the library, and out the opposite door. In the 200 building, we need all 200 building teachers, we need portable teachers, and we need all clubs. If you're involved in a club, hopefully your club president has talked to you about having signs, because we are going to fill this whole hallway. Coming down here, going down the U shape in front of the library and out the back door. So remember, in this U shape all the way around, it's 200 building teachers, portable teachers, and all clubs. All right, we're now on our third leg of our lip dub. Exiting the 200 building, we still have clubs. Clubs, if there's not enough room, you guys can spill outside the 200 building as we're heading to the theater. After clubs are done, this is where I need to have some sports teams. I'm looking for football, soccer, lacrosse, track and field, and cross country. We are going to take a long walk along this area by the lunch tables, and we're going to be going in one of the back doors of the theater. So you can see we're still walking. This is a long distance. So football, soccer, lacrosse, cross country, and track and field. You are lining this whole walkway all the way to the back door of the theater. So football, soccer, lacrosse, track, cross country, you guys are ending at this theater door. Starting at the theater door, we have all kids who are in improv and theater. We're going to enter the theater. As we come down the steps, drama and improv, you are still lining the steps. On the stage, we are going to have jazz band and orchestra. You are on the stage with your instruments, playing, doing everything that you're going to be doing. As we exit the theater, color guard, with your flags, we need you making an exit for us with your flags on our way out of the theater. As we exit the theater, in this area from the back theater door to the beginning of the gym, we need dance team, cheer, dance company, and any sophomores that need somewhere to go. So we're gonna go from the back of the theater, we're gonna follow the path through the iron gates towards the gym, all the way to the gym foyer. So once again, this area right here is dance team, cheer, dance company, and sophomores who need somewhere to go. This is your area. All right, dance, cheer, dance company, and sophomores, you've led us all the way here to the gym. We are going to enter through the gym foyer, and we are just gonna do a small U-turn through the gym. So as we get inside here, gym sports, you are lining this little U-turn in the gym and out the other side door. So that's men and women's volleyball, wrestling, and men's and women's basketball. You are lining inside the gym all the way to the entrance to the pool. We're now at the pool. Juniors, if you need somewhere to go, you're not sure where to go, any juniors, you can line from the end of the gym where we just exited all the way to the beginning of the pool. So this is a place for juniors. Swimmers and water polo players, you're gonna be in the gym. We are going on to the pool deck. What I would like is swim to line from the pool deck all the way to Mr. Kowalski's room. We'll do that again in just a second. But on the pool deck, I would like women's water polo players against the pool, men's water polo players on the other side. We are making a U-turn on the pool deck. So women's water polo players against the pool, men's water polo players against the wall. As we're leaving the pool, swimmers, men's and women's swimmers, you're gonna be lining from the pool gate to Mr. Kowalski's room. So all swimmers, this is where you're lining to get us back to the art room. Swimmers, you have led us all the way to Mr. Kowalski's room. We are going to walk through Kowalski and the art room. In these two rooms are going to be ceramic students and art students who would like to show their pride for those two programs. So follow me. we are walking through the ceramics room. This is going to be ceramic students who want to show their skills throughout this video. So as we're walking through here, it is only for ceramic students. As we enter into the art room, going through here, I would like AP art students to kind of fill this whole area as we're doing this part of the lip dub. So in the art room, AP art students, that's who I would like to see in here.
Where's that from?
We have just exited the art room. We are going to use this little corridor right here for all choir. Show choir and vivace, if you guys could line up, making a line all the way to the art room. Vocal ensemble, I would like you standing right here. Jake Gutierrez is a part of this. He's going to join you and sing the song with you, and he's going to exit into 721. So show choir, vivace, lining it. Vocal ensemble, you'll be standing right here and singing. We just finished up with choir, and now we're entering room 721. In 721, this is going to be our Medical Sciences Academy. I would like Med 2 and Med 3 students to fill this room. It is a U shape inside, showcasing all the things that you do in the Medical Sciences Academy. We've just exited room 721 with the Med Sciences Academy. Now we are headed into the Engineering Manufacturing Academy. As we line this pathway all through the classes, I want engineering manufacturing students, robotics club students, and the car club. We are going to be going through 723 and 724. So we need engineering, car club, robotics club students to line these two classrooms. All right, so we've just left 724, and now we're gonna head down this hallway. It's a long stretch, so I have a couple groups that need to fill this area. In this area are gonna be all the 700 building teachers, yearbook, Air Force JROTC, academic decathlon, speech and debate, AVID, and our ABC teacher pathway. So you guys are all gonna line this area right in front of the bathrooms here, all the way down to our Diamond E. So you're going from 724 down this long hallway. That is, once again, 700 building teachers, yearbook, academic decathlon, speech and debate, Air Force JROTC, AVID, and our ABC teacher pathway. All right, we've now made it to our Diamond E. We're on our last leg of the lift up. We're gonna go from the Diamond E along the counseling windows to like the front gate of the school. In this area as we walk, this is going to be kind of our outdoor sports. So baseball, softball, men's and women's tennis, men's and women's golf, and seniors who I haven't listed in an activity that you're involved in. So from the Diamond E, we're coming along here, all along the counselor's window, and we are going to end at the gates of the front of the school. So once again, it's baseball, softball, men's and women's tennis, men's and women's golf, and seniors in any activity that I have not listed. So let's talk a little bit more about the lip dub now that you know the course. The lip dub is on Friday, March 9th. We have a special filming schedule. On this day, I need you decked out in the gear of the sport, club, activity that you're involved in. We will have face paint out before school and at break for you to get all Aztec'd out. This is a day for us to really show our school spirit. We have a mashup of songs from 2017, 2018, so they're hip songs that all you guys know. Probably hip wasn't the best word to use there, but they're good songs. We'd love to have everyone involved. The music will be played over the loudspeaker. When the lip dub is done, everyone is gonna stay in their spots. When it's all over, there will be an announcement for everyone to head to the main gym. So you don't need to run anywhere after it passes you. So when the lip dub is over the intercom, it'll say, everyone, please head to the main gym. In the gym is where it's gonna look like a big Aztec party. We're gonna be having music, dancing, and cheering, and we're gonna do a couple Aztec cheers. We'll have megaphones there. We need you to join in. That's gonna be the culminating event of our lip dub this year. So you'll do the course, what we just went through in our tutorial. Everyone at the end will then head to the main gym. We'll do a couple Aztec cheers, and our lip dub will be completed for this year. All right, if you have any questions about the lip dub or you're confused about something, please come see me, Mrs. L, in the ASB room, and I'll get you to the right place. I'll get you plugged in so we're all ready to go for the lip dub on March 9th.